where is location in Mabalacat? Where location in Mabalacat?
Barangay at Lobola, Mabalacat City. Barangay at Lobola, sir.
Where?
Lobola. At Lobola.
Have address here, yeah?
Sure, sir. You add me on my messenger.
No, it's okay, have...
Yeah, but it's actually pre-selling a property. Will be, turnover will be at least by 2029. So this is, we have townhouses and then single attached unit. So this is our main entrance.
it's this gate.
The property is located here. You can see the NLEX Santa Ynez exit.
Yeah, yeah.
There and then,
Exit Santa Ynez.
yeah. And the property is along this way.
Okay.
This is the main gate. And this is the site development plan. Open for sale this area, but this one is not yet. This is the amenities area.
But available for rent or not? Only for sale?
For sale only.
For sale.
Yeah. Because there's no available, there's no unit that was built already. We only have the model unit.
Okay, okay.
If you need a unit for sale or condo for sale, just message me.
Okay, okay.
I'm also handling rentals.
Okay, thank you. It's to all my friends, because many friends want to live here.
Yeah.
Yeah, not inside, not in Angeles. Mabalacat is better.
Yeah, because the Angeles is very
Crowded.
crowded.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the lap pool and the other also one kiddie pool. And this is
Swimming pool.
These are the amenities, sir. We have this function hall and the crab house. And then we also have kindergarten here. And then,
Kindergarten, good.
space for work. And then gymnasium. Then we also have this for our pets. Cow area or cow park.
Excuse me, if someone want to, if dog outside, not allowed, yeah? If dog outside, allowed or not?
Outside.
Because so noisy sometimes, and if put dogs outside or rustler.
Yeah, you must be responsible about your pet. You are not allowed to just let your dog.
It's not allowed, man. It's good, because noisy.
Yes, sir. So this is our units that are available there. This is the single attached, which has 3 bedrooms. This is the plan for the single attached. And these are the townhouses. These are clusters of 6 units. We have end unit or corner, and then inner units, and then another unit. These are the sample or the model units. And that's also it. Just message me if you want to.
About one square meter, how much? About
Per square meter.
1 square meter, how much?
Because it's already a package.
Package, minimum package, maximum package.
Minimum package, we have the inner unit, which is 54. This is our, this is around 2.9 million pesos.
9 million peso.
2.9 million.
2.9, about 3 million.
Yeah, about 3 million.
It's minimum 3 million.
Yeah, this is the townhouse inner unit, and we also
Inner
have
unit.
this. We also have this end unit, which has a bigger or extra lot. It is around 3.7 million.
3.7 from 2.9 million to 3.7 million is maximum, yeah?
Yeah, because there is extra lot. This is a bigger lot, which you can expand it to bedroom or kitchen.
But can I take video already if unit, not problem. If I go to and take video real or not, don't have.
Of our model unit.
Yes.
You can, if you want, you can message me, and then we can go to the site.
Okay.
And we can take
Okay, it's maybe not now because I need to leave Philippines. When I come back again, I want to take video about apartment, houses. Okay?
Where are you from, sir?
From Russia.
Okay. My partner is from UK.
UK? many friends also from UK and watching channel from different countries.
Filming different countries.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. See you. Nice to meet you too.